Hello and welcome. I'm joined by Magdalena Andrzejewska, Regional Market Manager at AXA Nobel. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you very much for having me as well.
Anytime. Now, we're seeing the global fleet age really rather gracefully. Vessels are lasting years longer than before. But what does this mean for the wider maritime industry?
Yes, tankers and bulker fleets are aging, and operators must increasingly unlock efficiency and high performance without over-investing in these older vessels. Therefore, selecting the right hull coatings for each vessel's unique operating profile, balancing capex with the level of performance required for the vessel's age, it's critical. Whether that is with conventional biocide anti-foulings or silicone foul release systems, choosing the right fouling control is critical for ship owners. And this is where international Intertrack Vision forecasting tool comes in. We can model each type of coating alongside the vessel age and operational profile to recommend the right fouling control coating to use at optimum return on investment for the ship owner, charterer, or operator. And this is where our new product, Intersleek 2120, can be used. It opens up silicone fouling control to a broader range of operators, bringing international proven biocide-free technology within reach for bulkers and tankers customers. It is backed by decades of data and real-world validation that our Intersleek range delivers measurable performance and efficiency gains through maintenance and fuel savings. What that means in practice is that operators need today's solutions that help to extend assets value while controlling costs and maintaining performance while in service.
And you mentioned over-investing. So how do you optimize an aging fleet without over-investing?
Optimizing an aging fleet without over-investing starts with selecting the right solutions for each vessel, rather than applying all-size-fits-all solution. No two ships are the same, so some will benefit from top-end, more premium systems, while others simply don't require that level of investment. And this is again where our Intertrack Vision tool enables ship operators to forecast coatings performance based on each vessel's unique operating profile, helping them to make informed but also cost-effective decisions. So for example, the launch of Intersleek 2120 provides an ideal solution for bulker and tankers customers who need to balance efficiency, maintenance, and cost. It delivers low-friction performance aligned with day-to-day operations while supporting a practical transition from traditional self-polishing biocidal anti-foulings. Alongside selecting the right coating, having confidence in performance outcomes is also critical. For example, following independent verification by Lloyd's Register, we have been able to reposition the speed loss performance of Intercept 8500 LPP, which is our highest performing biocidal anti-fouling product. This validation supports an improved speed loss of 1.2% over the docking cycle, providing operators with proven performance they can rely on and optimizing investment decisions. Ultimately, vessel operators should seek the right level of performance, backed by data and analysis they can trust at the right cost without unnecessary complexity.
And how can the right coating on an older vessel save money over time?
Off-hire and dry dock costs are critical considerations for aging vessels. This is where hidden complexity and application delays can quickly drive up overall costs. So working in partnership with operators to select the right coating systems for each vessel is key. By understanding operating profile and maintenance requirements, we can help minimize application time, simplifying the maintenance, but also extend service intervals. And this is all translating into decrease of total life cycle costs. And as vessels age, also protecting cargo holds and ballast tanks becomes increasingly important. So addressing these areas alongside hull coatings can further optimize maintenance planning and reduce both paint consumption and application costs over time. So our cargo hull range, which includes, for example, Intershield 803 Plus, which is our toughest ever cargo hold coating, delivers an optimal balance between abrasion resistance and corrosion protection. This durability helps extend coating's life, reduce repair frequency, and minimize downtime. And that contributes to measurable cost savings over the vessel's life cycle. And for vessels currently docking in China, we now also offer Interzone 954GF, which provides an excellent performance and is more tolerant to slurry blasting, which is now commercially used in that region. So what it comes down to is working in partnership and selecting the right coating solution for each vessel, so the operators can minimize life cycle costs while maintaining reliable and long-term performance.
Fantastic. And changing emissions regulations are impacting every part of the maritime industry, but how is it reshaping the economics of ship ownership?
Emissions regulations are reshaping the economics of shipping, with efficiency now directly linked to cost. As climate regulations expand, greenhouse gas emissions increasingly translate into direct costs, making this inefficiency a growing OPEX liability. Saving fuel not only reduces emissions, but also lowers operating costs and builds the resilience against volatile fuel prices. This dynamic will become even more pronounced as alternative fuels become more expensive and less available. At the same time, poor IMO, EEXI, and CAI ratings can limit access to leading charterers or force lower stemming, both of which will impact the competitiveness. Through our collaboration with RightShip Zero Harm Innovation Partners Program, the Intersleek range is recognized as the coating technology that can deliver energy-saving benefits. This gives ship owners a credible way to demonstrate coating's performance to charterers, terminal operators, and investors. What that means is that by working with international, ship owners can better navigate the growing complexity of regulations, using trusted data and validated solutions to improve the performance. The right coating choice not only improves efficiency, but also supports stronger cost control and a clear competitive advantage.
And one final question, is there anything else you'd like to add?
We prioritize collaboration, and our partnership with Lloyd's Register and RightShip are clear examples of this. Together, we have created a comprehensive ecosystem that combines performance intelligence, independent verification, and strong industry partnerships. We also bring deep experience on our own. For over 30 years, International has pushed the boundaries of silicone foul release technology. And this is exactly this heritage that makes us excited to introduce our new product, Intersleek 2120, to the market. It is proven through thousands of vessels and decades of real-world operations that our silicone technology delivers lower drag, higher efficiency, and very consistent in-service performance. More importantly, we are making that performance more accessible, bringing silicone fouling control within reach and helping bulker and tankers operators move forward with confidence.
Magdalena, thank you so much for your time and insights today. All the very best.
It was a pleasure. Thank you very much.